I'm starting a new sandwich series every Wednesday, and today we're making something every kid grew up with, Uncrustables, but completely from scratch. Homemade white bread, homemade peanut butter, and homemade strawberry jam. Let's see if it's actually better than the original. But the trick isn't just the ingredients, it's getting that perfect sealed edge so it actually feels like the real thing. First we need the bread, and for something like this it has to be really soft, otherwise the sandwich won't seal. So I baked a simple white sandwich loaf, soft, tender, and perfect for pressing into that classic round sandwich. And if you want the full white bread recipe, I'll be posting that later on this week as well. Next we need peanut butter, and it's actually much easier to make than most people think. Start with roasted peanuts in a food processor. Blend them for a minute or two. Then I like to add just a little bit of honey. It adds a little sweetness and helps smooth everything out. After another minute, it turns into this. Fresh homemade peanut butter. Now we just need something bright and fresh to balance the peanut butter, so we're making a quick strawberry jam. Fresh strawberries go into a pan with a little sugar, some lemon juice, and fresh lemon zest. The lemon really wakes up the strawberries and keeps the jam tasting fresh. Let it simmer until the strawberries break down and everything thickens. After a few minutes it turns into this. Bright, fresh, and way better than anything in a jar. Now we can finally build the sandwich. Start with 2 slices of that soft white bread. And because the bread is so soft, you want to be really gentle spreading the peanut butter. And you don't need to cover the entire slice. Since we're cutting the edges off anyway, you really just need peanut butter right in the center. Then add a spoonful of that fresh strawberry jam right on top. Just enough to give you that perfect peanut butter and jelly balance. Place the second slice of bread right over the top. Now to get that classic Uncrustable shape, I'm using a round cutter. Just press straight down until it cuts all the way through. If you don't have a cutter like this, you can use a ring mold or even a cup. Just press it down to cut the circle, then use a fork to seal the edges. Perfectly sealed. Softer bread, fresh strawberry jam, real peanut butter made with some local honey, and it tastes so much better than the one you grew up with. And this is just the beginning. I'm starting a new sandwich series here on the channel. Every Wednesday we're making a different sandwich. Some classics, some deli favorites, and a few you might not even expect. So if this sounds like something you'd enjoy, subscribe and come gather at our table, and we'll see you on the next one.